What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. So today I need to go to LensCrafters and readjust my glasses because after losing 70 pounds, over 70 pounds, my face has shrunk because all of that inflammation, 70 pounds, my face has shrunk, and now my glasses, I don't know if you guys can see that, like my glasses don't fit me properly, and I'm starting to get a headache. If I stay like this, it just starts to slope down my nose. So yeah, look at that. I need to readjust them, which LensCrafters will do that for free, and I want to keep them because they're really pretty. So I took a shower, did my makeup, did my hair. I'm gonna head over that way. But if you guys are interested like on my makeup look and how I did my hair, I'll actually start now. I'll share with that first, and then I'll show you the process at LensCrafters. All right, just made it. There's a lot of cars. I hope it's not gonna be full. Hi. What do you guys think? These are cool. Very different. But they're actually pretty cool. I don't know if I'm used to having like pointed. All right, let's see.
Okay. Okay.
I'm very much drawn into red. Let's try these. These are Versace, by the way. Probably red because I'm like dark. My eyes are dark, my hair is dark. What do you guys think of this one?
Thank you so much.
I actually really like these.
I'm telling you.
And
Last time they were able
they're like green inside.
Yeah. I don't know what it was, but
Very light.
that's okay.
Like, I really like these. These are Ralph. So they're Ralph Lauren's. Oh my gosh. I really like these. Okay, so they're over here on the back wall
Yeah.
for future.
Okay, it's the scratches. That's what it is.
Yep, I'm very much drawn. Here's another one.
And then,
I can see so good at it.
Oh my gosh. You guys, I really like these.
yeah. And you have that
What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Just make sure, just bring them back when you have them.
Okay.
Okay.
What do we think of this style? Let's see. Okay, so metal on the bottom, black on top. The shape though, I don't know about the shape. I think I like the other ones, the Ralph Lauren, better. All right, these are my glasses, so let's see if they're gonna be a little bit better. Are they still hot?
You should be good. My hands are cold enough to.
First thing once, I got some Oakley sway bars.
They're definitely better. All right, so she needs to go in the back over there inside and see if she can heat them up a little bit more because they're still falling off. I've had these very thin before. Let's try it. Hold up. All right, so it's these, they're very thin framed. So what do you guys think?
Perfect. Thank you very much.
This is Burberry. Not bad. I'm not even looking at the prices, but just the frame itself, it is a smaller glass. Good? No? Yes? These are interesting. Let's try these. So these are a little bit more thicker frame than the last ones. Still Burberry. I feel like the frame is smaller, like towards my eyes. Still cute. And these have that kind of like little design over there. Let's go funky. Let's try these big guys. These are no, these are not my style. It doesn't go with my face. Oh yeah, no. They even have sunglasses. Look at these. Whoa. Okay. This is more my style. Very, very cute. Ooh, they have white. Ooh, I like these. Let's try them on. Oh yeah, I like these a lot. All right, I did my glasses, and they're so much better. These are mine, but I do need to get some new ones. So that lovely lady right there, she's the one that did it for me. So you guys definitely, I have her card. I'll share it. All right, time to go home. Okay, back in my car. Just left LensCrafters. You guys, she did an amazing job. Her name is Stella. I actually have her card here. So Stella M. Now, she did an amazing job. As you guys can see, like there's less gap. She had to go in the back room. I guess there's like a heater there, but she did really good. I do need to change my glasses. As you can see here, there's a lot of scuffing. My glass is scratched. I mean, I had these glasses for, I'm gonna say, over 8 years. So definitely need some new ones. As you guys saw, I did try on quite a few, and I would love to hear from you guys. Which one was your favorite? I have like 2 that really stood out to me. I might do a video. Yeah, I'm gonna do a video when I do change my glasses, but I would love to hear from you guys. Which ones were your favorite? Which ones do you think stood like really good on my face? So leave a comment down below. Time to get home and get ready for a wedding, and I also have to make more choices there because there's 2 dresses that I like and I want to wear. So let's see if you guys guess which one I'm going to wear tonight. All right, this is the first dress. I think it's so cute. It's got a little bow over here, sleeves. All right, let me try on. I wanted to have this as an option, but I don't have anything white to go over or even under. And after losing 70 pounds, I'm not showing off my arms yet. So let's try another dress. All right, I have this dress. It's not all the way down to the bottom. It's like just above my ankles. What do you guys think of this one? I also have this blue one. It does go all the way down. I think I still need to lose a little bit more my belly area. All right, next one. And then I have this one. I think this is like the fanciest from everything. I like this one. And then there's this one. Well, what do you guys think? I tried on 5 different dresses. So leave a comment down below which one you think. Leave for the glasses and then for the dress. So we'll do black and brown. We'll do sequins, blue, gold, or this with the belt, dress with belt. So I think my husband's gonna wear the black. I tried on that. So these are the dresses that I tried. And then I have to decide the shoes and the bag. All right. Did you guys comment? I'm about to show you the reveal. Which dress is missing? Anybody know? All right, and the winner is dress with the belt. I've got my black clutch. And hold up. Yeah, I can't. Hold up. Let me show you this way. All right. Here we go. I have these shoes, which are so comfy, and I think they go perfect. Hi. You look good. What you guys think? All right, you guys, this is both our outfits. Me and Callan, we're gonna head over to the wedding. I was gonna say restaurant. It is basically a restaurant. We're having the banquet hall at our church. So this is our outfits. All right, let's get to it. We have our coffees.